So very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. And based on our weekly Google Sheet option scanner, so we find some opportunities where we are going to get the right trades this week. So later I'm going to discuss in this video and we can apply our advanced option strategy with a weekly sheet and how the monthly is works. Almost we have crossed 18 days. So this month having expiry, longer expiry, it is expiry is around 31st. So even we can wait up to next week Friday, so up to 25th, and the last week we are going to wind up our all the trades before 25th, because physical delivery will be applicable on last week of expiry. And as of now, so how the monthly is performing and also weekly. So last week we have updated that weekly video. So now, so like so range one something kind of thing which is happening in this week. But from there, so we are finding some opportunities, then how it works, and some call side as well as put side, very few opportunities. The main concept of weekly positional trade is weekly trades based on positional concept. It's to find 2 to 3 opportunities per week, and in our monthly positional concept, how we can effectively select some 4 to 5 stocks per a month. But as of now, so we have almost 30 plus stocks which is happening on a put side, almost 25 stocks more than 50%, and almost 29 stocks which increased more than 40%. So that means where our breakout has happened, so how much percentage the stock which that particular strike price which is moves more than how much percentage that the Google Sheet is tells, and 100% is an exact breakout, and after the breakout how it is performing, that is the concept. And if you are using a monthly positional, you may be trying to find out our trying to apply our hedging strategies that we are teaching on our paid sessions, like a 2.1, 1.1, or to 3.2, something kind of strategies, or FO, SBB, something you can apply. So when you got a trigger point, so this is purely a directional trade methodology which we are used, and non-directional we will use a calculation and other things to find out a good trade opportunity based on our monthly IV sheet. Okay, so how that week is works, and I was focusing that. So few stocks, UPL 500 call option, whether it is giving you opportunity or not. So that we have checked, the first candle should not break the level, and gap up and gap down, liquidity issue, volume. So these are all the filter which we use, and here you can see this doesn't have the good liquidity. Finally it is closed 74 from this week. So you can't able to find out some candle because it started with around 8th October, and then here only 15th October. So that may be not a liquid one, so we don't want to track that. In the Petro 390 call option, whether it is giving you opportunity or not. In Petro 395, whether it is giving you the opportunity, I think you know well how do we filter out the illiquid stocks. And this is a 15th October. So this week we have started from 14th October. So the exact high on 14th is 20.5. Our breakout point is 27.1. Whether it gives you the opportunity or not. So in the first candle itself, it moves more than 31. After that, whether it is came to 27.1, that is what our entry. So, but it doesn't give you opportunity, even though the stock is in the top list, but it doesn't provide you the opportunity. That is the concept. So we are not considering this too, because option trading in stocks, we have considered a lot of things like liquidity and volume, and whether if the stock doesn't liquid, you can't able to enter what you desired price, and you can't also exit after some movement. Okay, that's the reason you're filtering out. And HDFC AMC 4450, maybe today 4450 when it is happening, maybe yesterday I think. So that one is 251 is a breakout point. So here 358, 251, it doesn't came. And on the Friday, if it was came means it may be not a intraday only, because it is a weekly trade every week from Monday to Friday. So we are going to update the data, and it is mostly Monday to Friday. So normally we will try for a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and next 2 days maximum holding, and Friday we will wind up, and next day it will be changing the data, that is every Monday. So in the put side, like Bajaj Auto 11900, so whether it is a valid opportunity or not. Okay, so 11900, our breakout point is somewhere around 550. So 550 here, it is triggered here around 16th October. So 16th October, so it is on Wednesday, it's a positional, we can try for this. and you know well how to keep a stop loss based on the positional concept. And this is a valid opportunity which is happening based on the advanced concepts, and also we will be trying for 250, sorry, 550 points in. So this is an exact opportunity which is happening at this point. After that it moves down, so but it doesn't trigger our stop loss, and now it is moving almost 1980, but just such a good move on those stocks that it is triggers the target by the next day opening itself, 16th and 17th itself, but it is still continuous. This is what the opportunity, how I'm just going to find out with this particular sheet. And cold call, you know very well, this is normally not liquid. Let me check that cold call 3700 whether it is liquid or not. Sorry, cold call. Here in this case, it's the right side is the put, and you can see most of the time it doesn't liquid. So it is 15 minutes, almost 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. It is not trading. So that's why we have to complete the stock whether it is liquid or not. We need to check at 3700. 163 is our entry point. Maybe if you are looking at this 163 is the valid entry, that is happening on 14th. That is what the first day of the week, 14th October, which we got a trigger, and then it maximum moves. And if you are taken out the initial stage, and even if it is deep in the money, sometimes it is not liquid, but we can easily execute the trade as per the intrinsic value of the option, so that you know well how to calculate the intrinsic value of the option. So if it is a call option, from your strike price how many points is higher, and if it is a put option, from your strike price how many points is lower. So that particular premium, it is 100% traded, and this is also be one more trade. And Gujarat gas 600, let me check Gujarat gas 600 put option based on the scanner. This looks good liquidity, and whether it is triggers 21.7. Here is an opportunity on 16th October. Here 21.7 is not triggered this particular day 14, but entry got triggered on 16th October. After that it came down to 16.9 from 21, but it doesn't reach our positional stop loss, and then it moves maximum. We are trying to hold it on a Friday. So I think today it went up to almost 53. That was achieved our target. So almost 3 stocks we got it, and Excite 530, that is also 42% when it is triggers, where it is giving you opportunity or not. So 2 to 3 stocks which we are going to. So here 24.6. Here is the opportunity on 16th October. After that it came 17, but it is achieved the target. So by using a weekly scanner, we try to find 2 to 3 opportunities, and if the entry which triggers on Monday, Tuesday, that would be even better, because we have some holding period. And monthly positional this month, so already lot of stocks which moves in a put side, because in the first week itself most of the stocks which gives you the target, those who are planning for a non-directional as well as directional trade, everything is completed. We are just watching now. So I finding some of the better stocks is about Titan, Havels, and M&M Finance, and M&M, and Bajaj Finserv. So those are all the stocks which gives you such a good opportunity. So why I'm talking about those stocks, because I just focusing those stocks for this month based on the concept of directional breakout. So TCS, Marico is quite liquidity issue, and Hero Motocup, Indian Hotel, Maruti. Sorry, this is in October. Yeah. So BPCL. These are all the stocks which I am finding. Titan, M&M. So these are all the stocks which I am tracking from the beginning of the month. That was giving you such a good opportunity. And positional also, we are trying to find 2 to 3 opportunities, not to take consecutive trades. And mainly it's a positional one which we are following with this Google sheet as a scanner for. And intraday is about, you know well, about R4 breakout, and inside camera also we are daily updating. So Zydus Life 1020, whether it is giving you breakout or not. 1020, let me check call option today, and it is an inside between the comparing to the previous day. So but it gives you breakout. Maybe S4 is a stop loss, but doesn't touch you. Stop loss is not triggered. It's slightly lower our entry point. Maybe we have to track, so how it is going to perform in future, that we can use it for a positional also. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and tomorrow you will be getting updated on weekly sheet as well as intraday, and maybe you can try for next week also, because we have a expiry next week's only. So next week we can utilize our scanner for intraday, weekly breakout, and intraday also. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And if you want to learn more about our advanced option strategy, just ping me on my WhatsApp number which shown on this video. Any other questions, doubt, just comment on the comment box. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.